Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Okay, so I think we can begin. So first all you need to do is to get straight into your settings, which I can't find. Oh, okay, here it is. And now all you need to do is to scroll down a little bit until you find backup or copy data. So that's what we're interested in. The second option, copy data using Android switch, is used to collect data and to bring it from another device. You can see it here, so we won't be using that. You can use it to restore it. Okay, so we want to click on backup data, and in here we have our Google account, also the free space. Also below we have the backup details. As you can see, for now no data backuped for all of these photos and videos, SMS and messages, call history, device settings, etc. And now you need to remember your Google account that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So remember about your email, don't forget the password to it. And now all you need to do is to enable backup by Google One. And now click on this button, backup now. Now I need to confirm by typing my PIN. And now the process should start. Okay, it's still going. Okay, and now you can see this thin little bar right in here. And when it comes to the end, that will mean that your backup will be successfully made. So let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, and now as you can see, your data is backup, so we don't need to do anything more. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.